Temperature control is the key to long-lasting and stable operation. Guideline: pellets should be at or below 100 degrees Celsius at the outlet. Exceeding this is a signal to check the die, rollers, raw material, and operating mode. This instruction explains how to properly use the pelletizer and dies for producing fuel pellets. It is critically important to monitor the temperature of the pellets at the pelletizer outlet. Main temperature requirement: the temperature of the pellets at the outlet should not exceed 100 degrees Celsius. Overheating leads to increased load on the gearbox, accelerated wear of rollers, bearings, and seals, and can also cause damage to the central shaft of the pelletizer or the roller shaft. How to monitor the temperature: use a pyrometer and measure the temperature of the pellets directly at the outlet. Artmash now supplies pelletizers with a pyrometer included and recommends checking the readings during each shift. If the temperature is above 100 degrees Celsius, Artmash does not recommend operating the machine. Typical causes of overheating: improperly selected die, too long or too high a compression ratio of the channel, increased friction. Worn or stiff rollers on a new or polished die. Rollers must rotate freely around their axis without play. Incompatibility of die and roller geometry or surface defects that increase friction and temperature. What to do if the temperature exceeds 100 degrees Celsius? Stop operation. Do not force the pelletizer. Drill the die. Try polishing the die again according to the instructions. Try restarting the operation. Check the condition of the rollers, rotation play bearings. Replace if necessary. Call service or a manager and replace the die with a smaller channel or replace the rollers. Follow the principle: new die, new rollers. Ensure proper moisture of the raw material, stable feeding, and verify that the raw material has not changed.